Hi students, welcome to Anthropology 175 MTA Summer 1 Term 2024. I keep looking over here because I'm reading off a script because we are being accessible. Okay, I'm your instructor for the course. I'm John Schaefer. I've been teaching at the Middletown campus of Miami for the past 12 years. I've taught anthropology, introductory anthropology, like 60 times. Here's a video. Okay, so we will paste this in here. In this course, you'll see videos and lectures by John Cinnamon and Mark Peterson. Dr. Cinnamon teaches on the Hamilton campus. He's also the course author. He's the one who set this up a few years ago. Dr. Peterson teaches at the Oxford campus, but this guy, John Schaefer, am your instructor. So even if Dr. Cinnamon says, contact me in this video, in some video, contact John Schaefer instead. I'm the one responsible for this section. I am grading your papers. This will be a very hard course due to lots of work being due. It's not hard work, it's just lots of work. So be prepared. I hope you find it challenging, but not daunting. I did reduce the work significantly for the shorter term, so watch out for that. Read over the entire syllabus closely because making sure you keep up with the readings and assignments is your responsibility. Check out the assignment list at the bottom of the syllabus, and here we will take a little tour through the syllabus. Not there. There we go. Okay, so here's your syllabus. If we scroll down, you see introductory information. We'll just go ahead and scroll down to the bottom. You don't want to go in here and just click on 0. You want to go through, look like modules. You want to go through module. Oh, good grief. Excuse me while I sign in again. I apologize. I'm usually much better organized, but this is I've been in graduation all day. So you just go through module 0 and start from there. Last semester I had someone asking very basic questions about how to do this, and I was like, "Did you actually watch the video or read over the syllabus? What?" So start with module 0. That'll explain how to do the course. And then we go on down, and you'll see this is a huge the study questions here are enormous on module 4, so watch out for that. Everything else is Sunday, and then we've got the final essays, no midterm essays. The midterm is just the exam and this observation project. Okay, back to my script. Be sure to check the assignment list. You'll find a bunch of assignments in blue with their dates. This will encourage you not to put off the work, as you can see how much you've gotten through and how much more you will need to do before June 29th. Otherwise, please do not click on the first blue module, the first blue link, and start doing that. Go through module by module. It will make more sense that way. There are videos and articles and movies that you have to encounter before you can click on the blue link and go do the assignment. You have to know what you're talking about before you start talking. Overall, this is Anthropology 175, Global Cultural Diversity, Introduction to Cultural Anthropology, that also gets us thinking about human diversity and how to relate to people who are different from us. It might be helpful filling in gaps in your other courses because this one focuses on non-Western cultures, non-literate societies, and prehistoric human experiences, although not so much prehistoric in this class, but anthropology in general. This specific section is 100% online. We'll probably never meet face-to-face. We might not even chat in real time. All your work is done when you want to do it, where you want to do it, so long as it's done as it's due. The due dates will be every Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Sunday at 11:59 p.m. There are two exceptions. Memorial Day, we have 2 deadlines. So the Thursday before Memorial Day, that's May 23rd, that's for module 0 assignments. And then for the actual, I think modules, how many was it? Modules 1 and 2, 1, 2, and 3 are due the Tuesday after Memorial Day, and that's to let people get home on Monday night. If they're traveling, and then go ahead and get things submitted on Tuesday by midnight. Tuesday, May 28th. The same thing will happen. Wait a second. The last possible day to get everything in will be Saturday, June 29th at 11:59 p.m. So the last day is a Saturday. This course is asynchronous, which means that everybody in the course is working at their own pace. You might make a discussion posting Monday morning at 9, and your fellow students will not comment on it until Monday afternoon or Tuesday morning at 2 a.m. Somebody's going to come in at 11:50 p.m. on a Sunday and comment, etc., etc. Please be patient if you ask the question and it's not answered immediately. There are 9 modules plus Module 0, which gets you oriented to online learning as well as to the course syllabus. Don't skip Module 0 and then keep asking basic questions. We'll go through about 3 modules a week, 2 to 3. Watch out for Module 4 and Module 9. Module 4 has 8 or 9 questions, I think. Usually the discussion questions are like 3 or 4 maybe paragraphs to write. I think there are 8 or 9 for Module 4 and 6 for Module 9. So quite a lot of writing going on for those discussion questions. Basically, there's quizzes, there's discussion questions, and then there's the participatory thing. Let's see. Let's go down through the syllabus so you can look a little more closely. Basically, you need to, let's see, we talked about this, the 4 pillars, the perspectives, social science, global inquiry. There's 2 required purchases. You need to get this book, Cuban Color in Tourism and La Lucha. There's your ISBN. It's about $20. You can get it through OhioLink. You can go online and buy it at Amazon for $20. And then there's a film. We tried to get all the films embedded in here, and Life and Debt was not interested. They wanted you to buy it or purchase or rent it. So you can get it on Amazon Prime for like $3.99. Be aware that once you pay for a streaming rental, you typically have several months or 90 days, 60 days, something like that to start watching it. But once you click play and start watching it, then you have to finish watching it within 72 hours usually, or 48. So be careful. And if you do click play, get ready to watch it a couple times or take notes or something, because later on, I don't know, week 3 or something like that is week 3 or week 4 is when we'll be getting to it. So you'll need to have notes for it. Let's see, course modules and units. We've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each unit has a culminating assignment, 1 ethnographic paper, a midterm exam, and a final exam. The writing assignment, ethnographic observation 1 is the only one we're doing. If you see observation 2, ignore it. Sometimes there's still mentions in there. I try to catch them all. But it's sort of embedded in the semester-long course. The summer course, I try to cut some of the assignments without sacrificing material. 2 to 3 modules a week to stay caught up. Then I have the information there about the end of the semester, the end of the period. You'll have watching lectures and doing readings. Then you'll have quizzes over the lectures and study questions as you respond to the readings. And then there's the discussion board. So there's also where you have to post. You make a post in response to a prompt, and then you reply to at least 2 additional posts by your classmates. So here's a little synopsis of the schedule, what it looks like. There's the grading. Oh, I messed that up. I got to fix that. It's going to be less. It's going to be different because I take away some of the assignments. And you can see I've already deleted the assignments here. We're not doing the midterm and then the final in here. The final essay is also going to be gone. In any case, I'm going to get this fixed and get this uploaded and get on with it so that we can start it here on Saturday night instead of Tuesday. Okay. Oh, right. I put my cell phone in here usually. How to contact me. Yeah, I'll put it in there. Basically, My cell phone is there for emergencies. If I'm not responding to email, just go ahead and call. I'm not putting this on YouTube, of course, because I want to try to keep a handle on it. If you decide to contact me on my cell, text me first. Text is always better than just dialing. And if you text, remember to say who you are. Hi, this is Taylor from Anthropology 175. That, tells me who you are. And no calls after 9 p.m., please. Okay, that's all. Email me, contact me if you need more information, and I'll see you online.